Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. And once you are on the home page, you're going to see this swap icon in the bottom. So you need to tap on swap, and then in the top, you will have to select it as Solana. So as you can see over here, that it is selected as Solana, but in your account, if it's not selected as Solana, then you need to tap on the drop arrow button, and then in the search bar, you simply need to search for Sol. After that, you need to select Sol, and then you just have to select the token in which you want to swap your Solana. So in order to select it, you need to tap on the select token button, and then among the given tokens, you just have to select any of this. Let's say I want to swap my tokens in order to dog with hardcoin. So I will simply select dog with hardcoin. Then you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to convert into dog with hardcoin or any other coin that you have selected. Once done, it will show you the equivalent amount of coin that you are going to get, and it will also show you the pricing as well as the fee that you need to pay. So here you will have to press the review order button, and after that you just have to confirm your order. This way you'll be able to easily swap Solana on Phantom Wallet. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.